Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll provide you with a Fictic style trending Bear Grylls edit preset for Alight motion. So without further delay, let's get started. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I'll share the XML file on my Telegram channel, the link is in the description. Don't forget to join the Telegram channel. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching!